hi Sven.
Hi.
We're here at the Vermona booth.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a look at your new stuff, right?
Yes, we do.
So, should we start over here?
Yeah, we start over here. This is a prototype of a 16 by 16 crosspoint switch. But it's not just a crosspoint switch, it's also a virtual patch manager.
Okay, so how does that work?
So you can apply your sources into the inputs, and you can connect the outputs also to additional modules, and you can create patches. So you have 256 analog switches inside, and you can make your settings and then store it into one of the 16 memories, and then you can play inside a live mode. For example, you change your settings by pressing a button or by applying a trigger or a control voltage.
Okay, so what else have we got? We've got some other stuff as well, yeah, some other prototypes.
Yeah. The next prototype is our quad envelope, which is a 4-channel envelope segment module. You have 4 channels of either attack, hold or decay envelope, which are linkable. You have an end of phase output where you can go into the next input, and so you can create complex attack, hold, decay, or just attack, decay envelopes.
So we can get these kind of like cycling things from like one envelope to the next, and then the next, and then the next. So,
yes, of course.
Yeah.
You can create complex waveforms, or you can also create safe running or safe oscillating waveforms like sawtooth or rectangle or triangle. And this can also be used as an LFO, for example.
So, so is that analog or entirely digital?
This is totally analog.
Okay, excellent. So moving on, there's more to show, right? So we're going to have a look at the Melodizer, right?
Yes, this is the Melodizer. This is also a brand new prototype, which will be available in summer, I think. This module creates a melody out of randomized numbers and a manual weighting. So the Melodizer creates random numbers, and you say, I want to have maybe a C, a D, a E. You create your musical scale, and as much as the slider is up, then the probability of this note is higher.
So that's what's making a patch now, right? So can we hear some of that?
We can hear something. This is now a simple scale playing at 1.5 octave, but we can also turn the octave up. We can vary the note lengths. We can create breaks, or we can leave out the breaks. Yeah. You can do a lot of things with this module. It can be also used as a quantizer, which is also a very powerful feature. And in this quantizer mode, you can set the space in between the notes you want to quantize. That means if the fader is totally up, you quantize with a fixed width, and if you turn the fader down, the area is much more narrow.
Excellent. And so, which modules are going to be first, and what sort of price point are we looking at?
The first module which will be out to the market is the quad envelope, and it is already in production. We have to find a name for that, and it will be available in spring, and the price would be approximately $350.
Excellent. And the others are kind of still in early prototype. The other modules are in early prototype, so kind of saying a price is pretty difficult.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to say at the moment, but yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Well, yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.